Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got a really quick video for you today. I know you've been dying to see this. I did break one of my nails, so I'm going to show you real quick how I fix it with polygel, just like I did on my pinky nail. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some clear polygel. You can use any kind of polygel. I like the clear. You're going to need nail forms. Don't be intimidated by the nail forms. I actually found them way easier than using the dual forms. You're also going to need that double-sided gel brush, where one side is the brush and one side is the spatula, although you really only need the brush side for this. So if you have a gel brush that you like, you can use that. You're going to need some alcohol or some slip solution, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to throw that right into my round John shot glass. I don't know why, that's always my dampen dish. I'm going to start by doing a quick dehydrate of my entire nail. I've already gone ahead and prepped my nails. I did all my cuticle work and, I filed my natural nail just so it didn't have any jagged edges. So I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate. And then I'm going to apply my dual form. Now you want to make sure your dual form is fitting snugly and it's up under your nail, between your nail and your skin, as close and as snug without being uncomfortable as you can. This will make for the smoothest transition and without having product hanging like underneath your nail that just gets bulky and weird, and you can file it, but I'd rather just do it the way I like it the first time and not have to do that extra work later. So I'm going to go ahead and fit my form. Then I'm going to apply the polygel, and I'm just going to, like I said, I'm not using the spatula or anything like that. I'm just going to put a little blob of the polygel right where my nail edge, my free edge, meets that dual form. So I'm going to let you guys watch. I'm going to let you watch me smooth it out. I'm just going to use the brush with some slip solution. All that really does is keep the polygel from sticking to your brush. It makes it nice and slick so you can move it around. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do that for just a sec. It does not take long. This whole video is pretty much real time, with the exception of the 1 minute it took to cure. So I'm going to let you guys watch, but I will be right back. So you saw me blend that polygel up. I just wanted to make as smooth a transition between my nail and the extension as possible. At this point, you could cure and then build up your apex a little bit. Because I'm doing dip over this, I decided to just kind of leave it as a thinner extension, and it didn't feel thin or flimsy at all. So I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds. I'm going to now remove the dual form, and I'm going to cleanse it with some alcohol, and then I'm going to file, and then it's going to be ready to go. So I'm going to let you guys watch that. Shan't take long. I will be right back. I wanted to show you that you can use an e-file or a hand file to shape and shorten if you need to your polygel extensions. They file down so super easily. They're a lot softer than traditional acrylic, so zero problems filing. Everything filed up quite nice, and they feel super strong. I really don't see any issues potentially for the next, however long. The extension I have on my pinky has already survived 2 soak-offs. I have soaked dip off my pinky extension twice now, and it's not budged. My thumbnail too. My thumbnail survived 3 soak-offs and has not budged. So this is a great viable option if you want to do extensions, but you don't want to do a tea bag or a plastic tip that will dissolve in acetone, because polygel does require a good long soak and a little bit of elbow grease to remove. So you can soak them off a few times, dip powder nails, and not have to worry about your polygel soaking off. I've had 0 issues. I don't know if it's the right thing to do, but it's what I did. So I hope you guys found this somewhat helpful and useful and maybe a little inspiring. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. I will catch you in my next vid. Love you, bye.